One label, two solutions. A complete service solution when combined with a CAT CVA. CAT Smart Hose labels make proactive hose management easy and simplify replacement parts ordering. A QR code on each label includes unique tracking identification for the hose assembly that helps you track every hose assembly on every machine. Use the CAT Inspect app to match Smart Hose label tracking IDs with equipment serial numbers. It's simple. Just label the hose assembly and scan the QR code with your mobile device at every inspection. From there, you can record observations, evaluate conditions, and proactively order replacements for damaged assemblies. If you need to replace multiple hose assemblies while rebuilding entire machines or subsystems, you can now upload all the information instead of scanning each hose assembly. Plus, you can get customized dealer recommendations with your hose and couplings CVA. As sufficient field data is gathered, this will enable the CAT dealer to provide life cycle reports and hose assembly life trends based on installation date, long-term predictive analytics, and recommendations on when to replace hose assemblies before they fail. Tracking hose assembly life cycles under real working conditions will enable you to increase machine uptime and reduce operating costs, avoid environmental impacts, and optimize hose replacement recommendations based on actual field data. And when it's time to replace a hose assembly, the Scan to Buy QR code feature makes ordering a new hose assembly from parts.cat.com hassle-free. One label, two solutions. Ask your CAT dealer about CAT Smart Hose labels today and enhance your experience with a CAT CVA for hose and couplings.